Hey, I'm Mark Mulville, and this is my bike. My frame is the Subrosa Silva V2. It's my signature frame. It's a kind of trail style setup with a 74.5 degree head tube angle. I run a 20.5 top tube. The frame comes out early next year, 2014, and it's pretty much the best frame there is. I run the Subrosa Vilicus bars and forks, so the Wong Train signature stuff. I'm currently running the ODI long necks, but just picked up some new Subrosa Vilicus grips that I'm going to be throwing on tomorrow. I'm running the Profile Push stem, which is my signature stem that I helped design. It raises the bars up a little bit. Mine's a 48mm. It comes in pretty much every color that Profile makes, which is loads. Never had an issue with it. Had this one on for a few months now, never slipped. Subrosa pivotal post and my signature profile seat, which is not really available anymore, but I'm in the works of designing another one. My whole drivetrain is Profile. I got the 22mm cranks on and the original Profile gas pedals, which haven't been made in years. And I'm running a 32 sprocket with a shadow chain. My brakes are kind of on and off throughout the year. I'm running a shadow lever cable and brakes. I got Subrosa tires on. The front is a Subrosa Gravedigger and the back is a Street Digger. My current wheel setup is the Profile Elite hubs, which is in my signature color, and it's laced up to the Sun Envy rims. This is my bike, pretty much the best bike around. Thanks to Subrosa, Profile, and everyone else who's helped me out for keeping me going on.
Right here.